Hey YouTube, what's going on? Lost in MPK is back. I'm with Big Kai.
I'm with Big Z.
And we are here to listen to some more IU.
Last one we heard was really good.
Palette. Yeah, that was nice.
I liked it a
Had a
lot.
little G-Dragon in there too.
I'm hoping that this is just as good. Or even better.
I hope so too.
Because sometimes you get one song that's good, all of a sudden you get disappointed. But I'm banking on
Well, people keep saying IU's who we should be listening to. So let's give them a listen. This song is called Sleepless Rainy Night. Oh boy, this is going to be depressing.
Oh, hope not.
Sleepless Rainy Night, really? It's not because you're out having fun. I'm start crying already, dude. You know the rain is tears, right?
Oh yeah?
In a song like this. Picks up a little bit.
Alright.
Maybe we'll get through the night. I like that organ because you don't hear that kind of organ anymore.
Kind of
That's an older sound.
feel,
Yeah. Oh, is that right?
That was nice, huh?
Oh yeah.
Kind of a nice song too.
Yeah.
I love that organ.
Yeah, this keyboard song.
Wow.
There it is.
That was good.
Nice
Not as
little-
poppy as the last one, but
No,
still good.
little
It had a different
touch of jazz.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
it was all. It's on.
Man, it was.
And then the way she was singing, at times she was kind of loungy, and then she's rapping almost just
Yeah.
about, and you know,
Like
she
in the
was,
verge of rap,
yeah,
singing, like in between, right?
and oh wow, that was a cool song.
It was cool.
That was a cool
really
song.
Groovy. Him all groovy like in 1970s. Right?
Groovy baby,
Groovy
yeah. It was though. I like that. I like that sound on the keyboard. Like you don't hear that a lot anymore.
Yeah,
and
the organ.
nice little touch and
It's organ, right?
yeah, definitely. IU, Sleepless Rainy Night.
Who
Cute
knew
little
IU?
song.
Yeah.
IU? What?
Who knew IU?
Who knew IU? Well, now we
We
know.
do.
Now,
No,
now we,
no, we do.
Now we do. Now
Yeah. Who knew IU? No,
we do. All right. IU, we know you. We do. We do. We'll catch you on the next video. Leave your suggestions down below. And thank you for introducing us to IU. I'm liking her more and more.
Yeah.
We're on a good little path right here. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Ciao.
Ciao.